the difficulty of not being able to travel freely this interview season, and we want to make sure that every applicant to an ophthalmology residency has the ability to find out all they can about a residency program. Here at UTMB, we are creating this video so that you get a better understanding of our program and see if it's the right fit for you.
My name is Karima Kimani, and I'm a second-year ophthalmology resident at UTMB. UTMB residency has been enriching and fulfilling. Enriching because of the diversity of our rotation sites, our diversity of patient population, and our diversity of the outstanding faculty whom we work with. After spending a year here training with my colleagues and faculty, I feel like I have a strong hold on my clinical practice compared to a year ago. Our TDC clinic is primarily run by residents. It's a place where we have autonomy to be our inmates' primary eye providers. It's a place that gives us an opportunity to put our knowledge into clinical practice. It's a place that allows us to finely tune our clinical skills. And the TDC Prison Hospital is a valuable asset to our program, mainly because of the diversity of end-stage pathology that it offers to us, and we're able to also see a wide variety of complex surgical cases, which further strengthens us clinically.
I've been a resident for 3 years, and looking back, I feel that I was pleasantly surprised by what Galveston had to offer. What I didn't know was how much I would appreciate going to the different rotation sites and living in cities that I would otherwise would not have. I didn't realize how much I would value the diversity of cataract surgery training that I was able to obtain.
So starting as a first year, you'll be going to Houston Methodist for 3 months, where you get to work alongside Dr. Lee, who's a world-famous neuro-ophthalmologist. And this is one of the most positive aspects of first year, because you get to connect with physicians that are outside of UTMB, and it gives you the opportunity for great research and great mentorship. While at Houston Methodist, you'll also be working with Dr. Chavez Barrios, who is a world-renowned ocular pathologist. It's a great place to come and learn, especially if you're a self-directed learner. The program will provide you with many opportunities to pursue your interests in ophthalmology.
So I was really excited to be coming to UTMB because I have family in this area. I also really wanted to have a strong clinical experience. So I think one of the biggest selling points here at UTMB is that you can get a different variety of ophthalmology specialists out here. So we have access to oculoplastics with Dr. Wong, who's incredible. We get to work here in our outpatient surgery center. We get to scrub in and be really hands-on, even as a first year, which I never dreamed about doing that. We get to go to Houston proper to go and work with Dr. Lee, who's a world-renowned neuro-ophthalmologist, and we get to see cases that you've only ever imagined or dreamed about. Then we get to work with Dr. Chavez Barrios, who's an ocular pathologist, and that's just incredible training that you wouldn't get anywhere else but here at UTMB.
My name is Andrew Wallman. I'm a current third-year resident, so I'm actually getting ready to graduate here in a couple of weeks. I'll be going into private practice. So I guess that's one thing I can say about our surgical program, is that it does prepare you very well to practice on your own. I feel very competent, very prepared to enter the workforce. And so that's something I've been very thankful for in this program, is that I do feel so comfortable to go out into private practice. We really do get a broad range of surgical experience. Even the subspecialties such as cornea, glaucoma, retina, you're able to be primary on many of those procedures. I almost wish I could kind of go back now that I have so much more experience and say, I want to see your technique again, compare it to mine. or what I've kind of developed as my own technique, and see if maybe there's additional details that I can learn. And I guess advice for people at the start of their career would just be to get as much experience from as many different surgeons as you can to really just round out your technique.
We hope that you have enjoyed visiting us and that you have a better idea of our program and some of the unique characteristics and educational opportunities that we work to provide our residents in order to give them the best educational experience possible. Should you have any questions or wish to contact us, please email our residency coordinator through the website link, and we will be happy to speak with you further. Best of luck.